If you want to speak confidently at work, practice these 99 office English sentences daily. This is VoiceNest English. Listen carefully, repeat clearly, speak professionally. Let's begin. Meeting English. Let's begin the meeting. Let's begin the meeting. Thank you all for joining. Thank you all for joining. Let's review today's agenda. Let's review today's agenda. Can everyone see my screen? Can everyone see my screen? Please mute your microphone. Please mute your microphone. I would like to add something. I would like to add something. That's a great suggestion. That's a great suggestion. Let's stay on topic. Let's stay on topic. We are running out of time. We are running out of time. Let's wrap this up. Let's wrap this up. We will continue this tomorrow. We will continue this tomorrow. Please share your thoughts. Please share your thoughts. I completely agree with you. I completely agree with you. I see your point. I see your point. Let's move to the next point. Let's move to the next point. Email English. I hope this email finds you well. I hope this email finds you well. Please find the attached file. Please find the attached file. Kindly review the document. Kindly review the document. I look forward to your response. I look forward to your response. Please let me know your availability. Please let me know your availability. Thank you for your prompt reply. Thank you for your prompt reply. I apologize for the delay. I apologize for the delay. Here are the requested details. Here are the requested details. Please confirm receipt. Please confirm receipt. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any questions. I will follow up tomorrow. I will follow up tomorrow. Thank you for your cooperation. Thank you for your cooperation. I appreciate your support. I appreciate your support. The document has been updated. The document has been updated. Please see the updated version. Please see the updated version. Presentation English. Today, I will present our results. Today, I will present our results. Let me start with an overview. Let me start with an overview. As you can see on the screen. As you can see on the screen. This chart shows our progress. This chart shows our progress. Let me explain this point. Let me explain this point. Our goal is to increase sales. Our goal is to increase sales. We achieved great results this month. We achieved great results this month. Let's look at the data closely. Let's look at the data closely. I will now move to the conclusion. I will now move to the conclusion. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for your attention. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? I'm happy to answer your questions. I'm happy to answer your questions. Let me clarify that. Let me clarify that. I appreciate your feedback. I appreciate your feedback. That concludes my presentation. That concludes my presentation. Teamwork English. Let's work together on this. Let's work together on this. We need better communication. We need better communication. Please update the team. Please update the team. Let's divide the tasks. Let's divide the tasks. I will support you. I will support you. We are making good progress. We are making good progress. Let's meet the deadline. Let's meet the deadline. I trust your judgment. I trust your judgment. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Thank you for your effort. Thank you for your effort. Let's improve this process. Let's improve this process. We need a better strategy. We need a better strategy. Let's stay positive. Let's stay positive. We can solve this problem. We can solve this problem. Great job, everyone. Great job, everyone. Client communication. Thank you for your time today. Thank you for your time today. We value your business. We value your business. Let's discuss your requirements. Let's discuss your requirements. We will deliver on time. We will deliver on time. Please share your expectations. Please share your expectations. We understand your concern. We understand your concern. I assure you of our support. I assure you of our support. Let's find a solution together. Let's find a solution together. We appreciate your feedback. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patience. We will update you shortly. We will update you shortly. Please feel free to contact us. Please feel free to contact us. We are committed to quality. We are committed to quality. Let's move forward with this plan. Let's move forward with this plan. We look forward to working with you. We look forward to working with you. Let's align on our priorities. Let's align on our priorities. We need to set clear goals. We need to set clear goals. This requires immediate attention. This requires immediate attention. Let's evaluate the risks. Let's evaluate the risks. We should consider other options. We should consider other options. I will take responsibility for this. I will take responsibility for this. Let's review the progress so far. Let's review the progress so far. We need a long-term strategy. We need a long-term strategy. Please keep me informed. Please keep me informed. I appreciate your professionalism. I appreciate your professionalism. Let's improve our workflow. Let's improve our workflow. We must meet the target. We must meet the target. Time is a critical factor. Time is a critical factor. Let's resolve this issue quickly. Let's resolve this issue quickly. We are on the right track. We are on the right track. Let's focus on results. Let's focus on results. I will follow the company policy. I will follow the company policy. This project is high priority. This project is high priority. Let's finalize the agreement. Let's finalize the agreement. Please submit the report today. Please submit the report today. We need your approval. We need your approval. Thank you for your valuable input. Thank you for your valuable input. Let's aim for excellence. Let's aim for excellence. Success depends on teamwork. Success depends on teamwork. Practice these office sentences daily. Repeat them confidently. Use them in real meetings and emails. This is VoiceNest English. Speak professionally, grow globally. See you in the next lesson.